Okay, I'm gonna make my first YouTube movie. It's gonna be a falling of some trees in a garden. The process is that they want to change the garden a lot, so the garden guy called me to say that well, he has some trees to be removed. So my name is Bram, I come from Belgium. I'm an arborist and I love my work. It's a job which we started yesterday, but needs to be continued. I need to continue with those trees, those five trees, just fall them over the garden because they're gonna change everything. We don't need to climb or anything, no fancy stuff, just a simple, a normal falling. I thought it would be nice to show you something how I work. Anyway, excuse my English. It's pretty possible I don't say the right stuff. So there's a small branch which broke off with the last tree, so be careful for it. The chainsaw I use, it's an ms361. It's one of my favorite saws for small work. Well, here we go. You see those trees, the pine trees, they're not in very good condition. They are all multi-stem. The wood breaks extremely easy. Well, this is how we do it in Belgium. I'm gonna limit a little bit, and I want to keep it for firewood, so I'm gonna cut it in small rolls, in small pieces. Yeah, let me just first cut it loose so we can take a look at the stump. mistake, I was stuck. So you see, pretty nice hinge. Folding wood is also okay, and I prefer to make a very high, well, I don't know how they call it in English, a wedge, so that you have a very good hinge. You see, the hinge is plenty strong. There was no major lean or anything. Well, just a straight falling. I would say I'm not gonna bother you with the living. It's a multi-stem, so it's gonna take me some time. Well, thanks and have fun and be safe. See ya, ciao.